Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using the Dream St Kathleen Lights and Colourpop eyeshadow palette. This just came out probably like a week or two ago, and I'm just showing y'all exactly how it looks like. And it also came with 3 different satin lipsticks. One is a lip gloss, 2 of them is a satin lipstick. So yeah, so right now I am just using the shade Spark as my eyebrow highlight, and I am going in with that brown shade, and it's called Moony, as my crease color. So I'll be going in with this bluish greenish shade called Potion as well. I'm using that in my crease and in the outer corner of my eye. When I was first putting it on, I was kind of skeptical, like it looks really pretty, but I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. If you watch my tutorials, you know I don't really use too many bold colors. I'm trying to step more out of the box though, so this definitely helped out, because once I got it all together, this is definitely one of my favorite looks. So here I am just trying to buff it out and get it to look how I want. And by the way, I am a little sick, so if I sound a little under the weather or discombobulated in any way, that is why. I'm just not feeling too hot, but I had to do this voiceover for you guys. So yeah, here I am just trying to get it to look correct, basically. I'm going back in with that brown shade Moody and putting it in the outer corner of my eye, just so I could give this look more of a smoky eye effect as well. Now I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to create the perfect cut crease. Honestly, if I do say so myself, this is my favorite cut crease look. Like, I got the cut crease perfect. And my advice to people who are still trying to learn how to do a cut crease, honestly, it just takes time and patience. Like, it took me a good few minutes to get it how I want it to look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, creating the perfect cut crease. And now I'm going back in with Spark and putting that all over my lids. And I also use this color Kaleidoscope a little bit towards the outer corner of my eye as well. I did my face off camera, but if you are interested in seeing how I did that, I will put my everyday makeup tutorial up so you guys could check that out and see how I do my foundation routine. And right here, I'm just using the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner pencil. And I'm going back in with Potion and using that directly on my waterline. And right here, I am just highlighting my face with the By He Cosmetics Jasmine highlight. So now I'm just lining my lips with the handy dandy brown liner. And here I am using the lip satin in Dreamy. That's also part of the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab collection. I kept this part in the video just so you guys could see how it looks on me, just in case you guys were interested in this collection. And if you're around my skin tone, if you want to get it or not. Personally, I did not like how it looked on me. They just sent it to me, so that's why I just decided to try it on. But yeah, it just did not work for me at all. As you saw, I ended up taking it off and I'm relining my lips. And now I will be using the lip gloss in Moonchild. That is also from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab. And I actually really love this lip gloss. It looked great. All I used was brown liner and put the lip gloss on top, nothing else. And it looked great. And I'm not even a lip gloss person, and I absolutely loved it. Here is the finished look. Definitely my favorite look to date. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Definitely more will be on the way. And I will see you guys in my next video.